Gold has created another bullish candle yesterday. After the previous day, the candle has been bearish, which was indicating further decline in value, where 2618.75 as support level has been a target yesterday, at least for me, but the price did not continue to fall down more than this one, and we can see that this small support level around 2634.53, where the close price and open price of these two candles are at the same level, and we can see this week high here is also at the same level. So from this support the price continued to rise in value, and during the day the price has formed several bullish breakouts above the resistance levels on the 4-hour time frame and a 1-hour time frame, and the price has closed the day above this resistance area. We can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout above this resistance level at 2653.45. Now the wick has also been above the open and close price of these two candles, open and close price, and currently we can see that the price has returned back down slightly just to test 2653 as a support level. Now for the further rise in value, I need to see the price going above this area, which is a small resistance around 2671.80, which is much more clearly visible on the 4-hour time frame and a 1-hour time frame. So it is mandatory for the price to continue to rise in value to make this bullish breakout. But if the price returns back down below this 2653.45 as support level, it will also indicate further decline in value, where the next support levels are around 2642 and this one 2634. Now it's very important to see, but as it looks right now, this looks a bullish breakout after the bearish breakout has been formed, which means this bearish breakout is invalidated, which suggests further rise in value in this direction. But before that happens, I would like to see first the price making a bullish breakout on the small time frame on this small resistance level, which is visible right here. This is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.